The Tesla Model Y's tow hitch receiver transforms it into a versatile vehicle for hauling. This video will guide you through the setup, connection, and unhooking process. As of December 2025, the Model Y with the tow hitch receiver has become a popular choice for eco-friendly towing. We'll cover the essentials for safely and effectively using your Model Y for towing. The tow hitch receiver is a hardware accessory that transforms the Tesla Model Y into a capable towing vehicle. Let's examine its key features and specifications. The latest version features a Class 2 hitch receiver with a 1.25-inch opening. This standardized design ensures compatibility with most trailer hitches on the market. This hitch is rated for up to 3,500 pounds gross trailer weight and 350 pounds tongue weight, making it suitable for towing boats, campers, or utility trailers within these limits. The hitch includes integrated wiring for trailer lights, handling turn signals, brake lights, and reverse lights automatically through the vehicle's electrical system. Tesla's V12.5 software update introduced an enhanced towing mode that optimizes the vehicle's systems for towing. This mode adjusts traction control, regenerative braking, and battery management to improve stability and efficiency. This integration ensures safer and more efficient towing, with the software continuously monitoring trailer sway and adjusting vehicle systems accordingly. To set up the tow hitch receiver on your Tesla Model Y, start by confirming that your vehicle's trim is compatible with towing capabilities. You can check this through the Tesla app or by visiting a service center. Next, purchase the tow hitch receiver directly from Tesla's website or a service center. The accessory typically costs between $400 and $500, depending on your location. For installation, begin by removing the rear bumper fascia to access the mounting area. Then mount the hitch receiver securely under the bumper using the provided bolts. Connect the wiring harness to integrate trailer lights and power. Make sure to use the proper 7-pin connector for reliable electrical connections. Tesla recommends professional installation at a service center to ensure proper setup and avoid any potential warranty complications. To begin connecting your trailer, first engage towing mode through the vehicle's touchscreen interface. Next, align the trailer's coupler with the 2-inch hitch ball on your Model Y. Ensure proper alignment before proceeding. Once aligned, secure the connection using the hitch pin and clip. Insert the pin through the coupler and fasten the clip for safety. Now connect the trailer wiring harness to the vehicle's 7-pin connector located near the hitch area. This enables trailer lights and electrical functions. If your trailer has brakes, connect the brake controller cable to the appropriate port on the vehicle for safe stopping power. Before hitting the road, the first safety check is to monitor trailer sway and brake integration using the Tesla app or touchscreen. This ensures the trailer remains stable and brakes work properly. Next, ensure the trailer is level to prevent strain on the Model Y's suspension and hitch system. An unlevel trailer can cause instability and wear. Always check that you never exceed the weight limits. The Model Y tow hitch is rated for up to 3,500 pounds gross trailer weight and 350 pounds tongue weight to ensure safety. Finally, always consult your Model Y owner's manual for detailed guidelines on towing safety, including any trim-specific limitations and best practices. Begin the unhooking process by parking safely on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. Next, carefully disconnect the wiring harness to avoid damage. Remove the hitch pin after slightly lifting the trailer using the vehicle's lift mode if available. Check that no residual connections remain before proceeding. Finally, drive away slowly and exit towing mode via the vehicle's touchscreen. Tesla's towing mode optimizes traction control, regenerative braking, and battery management for a safer and more efficient towing experience. The software also includes a trailer brake controller simulation, allowing you to adjust trailer braking force through the vehicle's interface. Keep your Tesla software updated to ensure compatibility and optimal performance while towing. Outdated firmware can cause integration issues. When towing with your Tesla Model Y, be mindful of battery range reduction, which can be 10 to 30% depending on the load and driving conditions. The battery range reduction occurs due to increased energy demands from towing the trailer. Plan your trips accordingly and monitor the vehicle's range in the app. Tesla is expanding its energy ecosystem with RV-friendly superchargers designed specifically for towing vehicles. These stations provide fast charging to minimize downtime during long trips. Look forward to future smart hitch technology featuring robotic assistance for automatic trailer attachment and detachment, making towing even more convenient and user-friendly. Electric vehicle towing is rapidly growing as more people discover the benefits of EVs for hauling. Tesla remains at the forefront with advanced software and hardware integration. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult professionals for any complex towing setups.